Your Garmin watch can generate round-trip courses from your current location based on a specified distance and direction. In this video, we will show you how to create a round-trip course using Fenix 8. First, enter your activity. Then select Navigate. Round trip course. Enter the total distance for the course. Select a direction heading. Your watch will generate up to 3 courses. Press the up or down key to view them. Then, choose your course. You can view more details here. To begin navigation, select Go. Now, start the activity and follow the navigation. If your watch supports the dynamic round-trip course feature, it will automatically adjust the course when you deviate from the original course. The new course will maintain the same target distance. And that's it. Thanks for watching.